Okay.
Yeah, no more screws, right? So is here okay? You said very close?
Too far away, closer to the...
Oh!
Nice one.
Nice one!
Oh!
They are
Oh
not
boy, closer? You think? No.
No, they are not close. I have to use the car. 1 second. Gdzie to masz? Co?
Do you need all these taken out?
No. 2 or 3.
Okay. I'll let you take it.
You know how warm the bees?
Oh, they're hot? Temperature?
No, if you touch, no problem. But this way, it's much better. So it's more sensitive pen.
Oh, yeah. I didn't want them to get off me, though. So, you think the queen's here, too, huh?
Oh, for sure.
Nobody's building, though. I thought maybe there'd be some comb. No comb. Huh?
But you use the old lure?
Yeah.
You see?
Old lure, just throw it in there.
What I said?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Okay, so... Exactly.
You're making the movie? Correct. Let's go.
Oh, there is some comb. Look at that.
It's not.
Nothing much.
But it's good for next time.
Oh, yeah? To leave it there?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
They here
Okay.
like from yesterday. You see?
Yeah.
The attractive stuff.
That's it. Yeah, that's all I had there.
Do you have another one?
No, just the one. Do you see another one?
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was just one. Oh, okay. Okay, there you go.
Look
Yeah,
how they go
yeah,
inside the hive.
They're just marching. So, you think the queen was in the lift? They're just following now.
So now, sorry, we make like in Idaho with like pitato.
But you don't have to worry as much as me. I got more hair. Oh, look at that. Jeez.
Nice one.
Nice one. Okay, we're going to get some more too, huh? That's going to happen for a while.
Yeah. They came to